is a Gavio Wrenz with a simplistic design, built in full aluminum with a wire mesh. It's built with a lithium-ion 6-hour continuous playback battery. It comes with 2 sockets, mini USB to 3.5mm jack, and another hole for a 3.5mm jack for multi-link. It plays mono music, but it's clear, crisp, and it's a decorative speaker, as you can see here. You can put it in your garden, you can put it in your living room. Due to its simplistic design, there is no on and off switch. Once the mini USB is connected, it detects the connection and turns it on by itself. You're finished listening to the music, pull it out, it automatically turns off.
As you can see, it's shaped like a bird.